northwestern Bexar County until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, Leon Valley, Helotes, Fair Oaks Ranch, Chavano Park, Cross Mountain, Government Canyon State Natural Area, SeaWorld, Leon Springs, The Dominion, Green Forest, Fiesta, Texas, San Geronimo, and Semacox. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flood advisory in effect until 2:30 p.m. Central